Hello everyone. So today we're trying to do an all glam and I'm going to attempt liquid liner. It has been probably like 4 months, maybe 5 months since I've done liquid liner. It's gonna be a real treat. I don't know how it would be, but okay. So this is what my skin is looking like, and I have sunscreen on and I moisturize and all that. I literally have no reason to get dolled up and put false lashes and liner and all that stuff and heavy foundation because literally tonight I'm going to like a drum tuning workshop at my school. So if I actually end up going to that workshop looking like this, then dang, I got myself some guts. And then after they'll be like, oh, where are you going? Nowhere. I'm just gonna do foundation first. I'm pretty sure my self tanner worn off by now, but we're just gonna make myself dark anyway, and we're gonna mix it with my Marc Jacobs, of course. Okay, and I just realized too, all today I was missing an earring. I don't know how I didn't notice that. I think I just slept funny. I don't wanna put too much on because this honestly is probably all I need. I'm going to, oh yeah, already it's so heavy duty. I always underestimate spreadability of this foundation, how little you actually need. Also, I signed up for a gym membership this week, so I was super stoked about that. Lately I've just been feeling super like lazy. I don't know, just like sludgy. Is that a good adjective? Wait, it's about time to start, you know, getting myself together. I'm just filling in my eyebrows with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Literally, I spend no time on my eyebrows. Okay, man, that was rough. I'm gonna put some directly on. This is just the Kat Von D Lock concealer. I'll just link all my products below if you are all curious on what exactly I use. Oh my god, I'm just gonna try this instead of putting it on my hand and applying it. We're just gonna dot it like that. I read one of the comments saying that you'd like laugh so hard whenever I do this because it's like a unibrow. At least far as I know, I don't know too many people that do this. It makes your eyebrows so defined and I just love the look. You could always blend it out so it's not as harsh, but I honestly love that cut look. I'm just gonna blend it out with the Morphe M335. But just know, if you guys are going through anything, definitely feel free to message me on Instagram. I try to respond to like literally every single DM because I appreciate you all even taking the time to even message me. Like I find that so crazy in itself. Okay, so now for my all-time favorite concealer. Again, you all know, hopefully by now, it's Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics. It's this and the Tarte Shape Tape. I am between those two. I'm torn. I love both of them. I feel like Bye Bye Under Eye is really good for the under eyes, of course, and then Tarte Shape Tape is good for like spot concealing. But you could do literally both, vice versa. Like both of them are good for literally either one. I find thicker product, it just applies so much more better. Just melts in the product. So I'm going to set my face right away with Coty Airspun. My acne is pretty darn well covered up. Again, my favorite foundation of all time. So good. If I were to really ensure that extra coverage, I would take my Tarte Shape Tape. But honestly, my skin is nicely covered that I don't think I really need anything. You could cover as much discoloration as you want, but when it comes to texture, you could still see a lot of texture shine through. Anyway, I'm just gonna take my smaller brush just on any spots that may need a bit more coverage. That foundation pretty much covered everything I needed. This is just for extra. Okay, I'm just going down the neck, taking my Real Techniques, and I dot it. Gotta set my under eyes. I'm gonna take the Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. Gonna quickly go like this, and again, I just take it straight up. I do not tap off anything. Oh yeah, I made a TikTok if any of you are interested. Oh yeah, we met. I feel like my face is too dark now. Maybe I might have to apply some fake tan. But since we aren't going all out, I'm also gonna be curling my hair. Literally has powder all over it now. But I'm so excited to be using this because, oh my gosh, this is a company, Duvolle. I'm pretty sure you all have heard of it at this point because their company is like popping right now on YouTube. They basically sell professional hair styling tools, which is awesome. And reached out and asked if I wanted to try any of their hair products, and I don't choose straighteners because I mean, this is my natural hair. Like my natural hair is pin straight, but I do love curling my hair, so I had to ask for a curling iron, of course, because I could not say no. Stay tuned to the end of the video on how this curling iron will actually look on my hair, because all barrels are different. So yeah, this is the thickness of this one. They did give me a coupon code for all you to try out on their website. I'll link it down below. It's Sonia70, that's the code. You can try if this ends up looking good. They haven't sponsored me or anything, so obviously they'll be all my own thoughts, but I'm super excited nonetheless to try. So that being said, I will do that right after I do my full out glam makeup. So we're just gonna take a modern renaissance. I'm just gonna take a tempera, kind of make sure that I don't have any patches. The beauty of eyeshadow and eye makeup is that it literally takes away the attention from your face, but won't even notice your acne because of your eyes or like pop and highlight or something. That's like a good tip that I learned. So I'm gonna take a bit of burnt orange, like lighter orangey kind of shade. Hopefully the eyes won't look too crazy. Literally just layering. And I'm hopefully gonna be taking some Instagram pictures after this. So that's also another excuse for me to do my makeup today. A lot of you have been saying that I should try vitamin B5, acid, I forget how you pronounce it. I am actually on week 1.5, something like that. Maybe last Wednesday actually, so it might have just been 1 week so far. And so far, I don't have any temple acne. My acne, it's weird because here now, which I never get acne around my mouth or jawline at all. That is a sign that things are changing. I'm going to be taking a bit of raw sienna outer crease. I don't want this thing to be too crazy. I actually might be going to my workshop tonight. Depends if I have enough time to wash it off before I go. Ugh, this is a very like burnt orangey look. Okay, and then I'm gonna try a different color. I think you all know what color I'm gonna choose, but I'm obsessed with this one shade from this palette. You all know I am obsessed with this one shade. Topic like it's hot. I don't think any shade will beat how much I love this shade. It's just like amazing. My eyeshadow brushes are in the bathroom and I just don't feel like getting up. I'm gonna put this on the very outer corner. Oh yeah, I love this shade. It's so nice. It's so red. I swear I don't think I've ever played with any other color other than like these red and orangey looks. I just love them so much. So pigmented. I think in the middle of my eye, I'm gonna take my semi-precious ColourPop palette. So good. These colors are seriously the most blinding colors. So I was thinking maybe just like the plain pink one. We'll see, and then if that doesn't look good, then we'll just add some like champagne on top of it to make it more dimensional. I'm just gonna take a concealer brush. Let's see if this even turns out okay. This palette is one of the few palettes that you don't even need to wet your brush for. Like, hey, there we go. Blend these now because it's looking a bit funky. Kind of soften up those edges. Ooh, like so much more cleaner. I'm like the most nervous for this. Taking the best liner in the world though. This is the NYX matte liner. I have not tried a better eyeliner than this. So easy to work with. The tip is so clean and pointy and skinny. So like controllable because I have not done this in literally so long. Like I can't even remember how to do it. I feel like I'm gonna fail. Eye makeup again, like I said, not my strong point. This will literally make or break an eye look. A bit long, but whatever. I feel like that's good. And then I'll clean it a bit with concealer. Oh my god, I blinked. I freaking blinked. No. We're just gonna move on. Whatever you do, don't blink. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is drying out. I honestly don't know how old this is. I'm like, maybe I should get a new one. That's how long I have not done any liner. I already lost hope for this eye. Try to do concealer problems. And then the top clearly needs some saving. Okay, and then we're just gonna have to put new eyeshadow over that, and it's okay. Okay, so this is what my eyes are looking like. Yee. And we're just gonna move on to the face. So I'm just gonna put on some of this MARC Jacob. It is my favorite bronzer. It is not too warm, it is not too cool. And what I want to try is this orangey blush. I've never tried a coral blush in a long time, so I kind of want to try this. It's Note in the shade Desert Rose. It's like a nice orangey. So we're just going to, whoa, that's very pigmented. Shake, shake. Holy crap, that's a lot of payoff. Okay, we're just gonna stop there. I didn't realize how pigmented that would be. I used to be obsessed with corally orangey blushes when I was younger. So maybe that's why I just like can't stand corally colors now, because I used to wear coral like lipstick, coral eyeshadow, coral blush all throughout my middle school and high school maybe career. Probably why I don't like coral. It's just kind of like a personal thing. Also, that's why I don't wear eyeliner on my waterline anymore unless it's like white or nude, because again in middle school I literally like scarred myself from that. I'm just going to quickly put on false lashes now. Just curl my lashes. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Such a good mascara. Makes your eyelashes literally look so long. I'm just gonna use my Duo lash glue. One lash done. I love how it looks already. Oh. Nice, 2 lash, yay! I will briefly carve my liner, just because honestly I feel like carving liner in general just makes the liner so much more defined, just like carving out your eyebrows. It's a bit more effort. At the end of it all, it just looks so much more chopped. I will do highlighter. I'm gonna take my sleek makeup palette Solstice, and I'm gonna take this champagne-y kind of color. I feel like my brows are just so messed though. Like my brows are looking rough. I don't know, maybe it's just me. This is what it looks like. So nice. Nose gets bow on the inner corner with my pinky. On the brow bone. Last thing I'm gonna be doing is lips, of course. So this is the shade Push Up by NYX. It's my favorite lip color. My lips but better kind of shade. It's just so natural. Nice. That's my lips. And then to top it off, my favorite gloss of all time, it is the Tarteist gloss in the shade Insta Famous. These are the lip paints. They're glossy lip paints. It just makes your lips look so much more plump. I just love lip gloss so much. See, I'm the complete opposite again of what I was in like middle school. For sure, I was the complete opposite when it came to like, not my like dreams, but when it came to like fashion choices and makeup choices. In middle school, like I wanted to make sure everything was matte. And then now, I don't know, I guess I just got so sick of it that like I don't wear coral anymore. I don't wear matte. I don't wear like eyeliner on my waterline. I've done it so much, it like scarred me. Anyway, look at this, it's just so glowy, so like luxurious. Essence setting spray. This is the Keep It Perfect setting spray. Just melts and everything. Once you wait for it to all like set and dry down, it's gonna look so good. So again, while that is setting and stuff, I want to curl my hair. Oh my god, I am like insanely excited for this. The only curling iron I use is a waving iron. So it's basically, a barrel is shaped like an oval. It's not an actual circle. It's been a while since I've actually used one of these. It's so cool. It like shows you, I don't even know if you can see that, because I always like feel it to make sure it's hot or not, but like this actually shows you it climbing its way in numbers to the number that you want. That makes sense. So I guess I don't have to touch it and risk burning my hand like I do with my other curling iron. Oh shoot, and then it turns blue when it's ready. Okay, a lot of you ask like what I do with my hair, how I keep it so like shiny and soft and long. Honestly, the reality is I literally don't do anything to my hair. All I do is like use shampoo to clean it. I don't even use conditioner that much. I use a leave-in conditioner spray, and that's what makes my hair super soft. Ooh, this is like the perfect size for the barrel. I don't think it's too big. Also, if it was too small, I don't like those super like tight curls either. I don't even use heat protector. I just straight up use plain hair, because like I don't really use much heat on my hair. I don't blow dry my hair. I just let my hair air dry. Literally the only time I'll ever put heat on my hair is if I'm curling it, and I usually curl my hair maybe like once a week, if that. Super like low maintenance. Oh, that was even better. And the good thing about my hair is that it's so thin. Like I don't have much hair, so when it comes to curling my hair, it does not take any time at all. I don't have to put it up in like clips and like ponytails and section it off, because I literally just don't have much hair to begin with. So I'm just gonna speed up this process. I will get you with the final product. Oh my gosh, random side note. Have you heard that Noah Centineo and Alexis Ren are dating now? I'm like, okay, that is literally like the dream couple. Like, they are both so gorgeous. I heard that, fangirling so hard. That is like the cutest couple. Oh yeah, and happy Halloween. Yeah. I hope you all have a happy Halloween. Comment down below what you have all been doing for Halloween, or what you are doing currently, or what you're gonna be doing tonight. I totally forgot that it was Halloween today. Technically today. I'm filming this on the 30th. And then I just wanna go in one more time just to kind of like make certain parts of my hair stand out a bit more. This is kind of the hair I go for. I don't really like curls. Yeah, it's pretty much all wave. Okay, so I just checked in the mirror, and yeah, this is definitely more wavier than it is curly. Again, I very much so prefer, because when I do like pretty tight curls, I end up letting them set, cool off, and then I brush them out with a regular hairbrush anyway to soften them up. So this, I don't even have to brush it out. Like, it's already so effortless. So that is awesome. One less step I have to do. Yeah, if you're interested, use code SONIA70. I don't make any commission or anything off of it, but if you're interested in purchasing, there we go. Thank you, Duvolle, for sending it over. Very kind of you. I'm going to change into something more, hey. Gosh, this is such a pretty shirt. I literally just found this in my closet. I didn't even realize that I had this. Low-key might be see-through. I really don't know. So if it is, I apologize. But I just thought I would pair it with something a bit more fancier looking, because I thought this would suit the occasion. Anyway, I'm gonna try to attempt to take some Instagram photos, because I've not posted in like 2 weeks or something like that. I don't even remember. We're going to wrap it up. Happy with the final result, despite me, you know, not being the greatest at eye makeup, but it's okay, because we have beautiful long wavy hair now to make up for it. So with that being said, I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe for more videos if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday and Thursday. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video I post. I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.